Hello students, myself JK Joshi sir. Today's topic is the comparison of speed and velocity for class 9th motion. Students, the rate of distance covered by particle is called speed, whereas velocity, it's a rate of displacement covered by particle is called velocity. There is no difference in the symbol of velocity. Both are represented by symbol V or U in class 9th. Now, formula: speed equals to distance divided by time t. Distance is represented by symbol d and time t, whereas velocity is equals to displacement divided by time t and represented by s divided by time t, where s stands for displacement. Students, there is no need of direction for the explanation of speed, hence it is a scalar quantity. Scalar means those quantities for which direction does not required in their explanation and representation. But in case of velocity, there is a need of direction for the explanation, hence it is a vector quantity. Next is, it remains positive and cannot be zero or negative for a moving body, and whereas velocity can be positive, negative or zero for a moving body. Students, speed can be equal to velocity for the linear path or linear path motion, but in case of velocity is less or equal to the speed. The unit, students, the MKS unit of speed and velocity are same, that is meter per second, and CGS unit is centimeter per second. We have extra unit for the measurement of speed and velocity, that is kilometer per hour, or we can write and 1 kilometer per hour is equals to the 10 by 36 meter per second or 5 by 18 meter per second. When we put the value of k, that is 1000, and the r, that is 60 multiplied by 60 second, we got 5 by 18 or 10 by 36 meter per second. By this we can convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Next topic is average speed and average velocity. The symbol of average speed is V bar or VAVG. The ratio of total distance to the total time is called average speed. We have an example, that is distance d1, d2, d3 is given in the question, and for the time interval t1, t2, t3. So the formula for the average speed is V bar or VAVG. Average is sum of all the distance to the time, that is d1 plus d2 plus d3. Similarly, we have another example for average velocity, in which d1 is considered as a s1. So average velocity symbol remains same, that is this, and the formula is total displacement to the total time, and the formula is s1 plus s2 plus s3 divided by time t. Thank you students. The unit of average speed and average velocity are same, that is meter per second or kilometer per hour. Thank you.